We guide you through how to kick someone from your private server in Roblox in 2026 working method. So the first thing you need to do is to open Roblox and log into your account, then go to the game where your private server is active. And make sure you're the server owner or have admin permissions because this only works if you control the server. Next, click the Roblox menu icon while inside the private server. Select the players or the player list option and find the username of the person you want to remove. Tap or click on their name, then choose kick or remove from server and confirm the action when prompted. If the kick option doesn't appear, leave the game and head to game's private server settings. From the Roblox website, select your private server, manage players, and remove the user from all allowed lists so they can't rejoin. After that, rejoin your private server to make sure the player is no longer inside. This method works on PC, mobile, and tablet in 2026.